Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Faiza and today I'm doing something a little bit different than my normal makeup videos because another facet of my life is the fact that I'm a college student. So today I'm doing a what's in my backpack video for 2018. I actually carry around, oh man, this huge North Face Surge backpack, and as you can see it's in the mint and gray color combination. I just find that this color combination is feminine but also stands out from like the generic black backpack, so if I stick it on a stack of backpacks at an event or something, I'll be able to find mine easily, and that has been really nice, and I find that it's neutral enough that it matches everything. So I really like all of the compartments, and you guys will see as I go through them what I keep inside. So I think I'm going to start with the very top pocket, and in this top front pocket I pretty much have whatever I need to access the most frequently. So I usually have my phone, and this is just like a floral phone case and it's just a phone. And then I also keep, let's see, chapstick. This is the Carmex Moisture Plus, and it actually is a lip balm with sunscreen even though it's super dreary where I'm staying right now for college. I feel like I don't use it that often, but it's such an annoying feeling when you're in class and your lips are chapped and you don't have anything that you can do about it. And then I have two pens, black and blue. These are my favorite pens. I find that they make my handwriting look nice, and that's pretty much my only criterion for what I pick as a nice pen. I have my hand cream, and this is by L'Occitane, and I really like how this stuff feels and smells, and yeah, would recommend it. It's a really great hand cream. And then I carry around my favorite little Altoids Smalls. I am an Altoids person because I find that one, they taste really good, and two, if I'm trying to freshen my breath for an interview or a meeting with a professor or something, it's just more polite to not be chewing on something. So in this next front pocket I have, oh, I have nothing. So there's nothing in this front pocket, but it's very nice and soft and padded, and I guess it's nice and warm and fuzzy for if you have any fragile things you need to carry. Clearly I don't. And then I have in this front pocket, I just have a pencil case here, and it's super fun because it's a bunch of paint splotches and they all have really fun, interesting names. Tortilla, Blue Pear Eyeshadow, Guilt. I think that this is so funny and like interesting when I'm bored, or it just kind of brightens my day when I pull it out of my backpack. And then in here I have a standard little stapler. This is probably my most used item from this little pencil case. These are kind of the items that I don't use as regularly. And then I have a 3-hole punch. I have some scissors, some backup lead, and 0.5 millimeter if you're interested in that. And then I have an eraser. And finally, the only pencil that I carry around, I carry one pencil around because I'm a pen person, but this is the Papermate Clear Point 0.5 millimeter pen or pencil, and this is what I was using for my math class last semester, and I used the same pencil, like this brand and this style of pencil, all throughout high school for all of my calc classes. Okay, in this next pocket, it opens up and it has two flaps. It's like this front section and this back section. So in the front section I carry around tea. I like to make myself tea whenever I'm, you know, on the go, and I go to the dining hall and I tend to not particularly like the teas in the dining hall. So this is my favorite. This is chamomile, vanilla, and honey herbal tea, and I just find it really refreshing, but it's caffeine free because I find that caffeine makes me kind of jittery and like hyper, and I really can't sleep. So that is some nice tea that I can have at any time of day. And then I have my pens. These are all mild liners, and these are just the colors that I use the most. And then I have the Bic Velocity, and this is like a really fat tip so that it writes super smooth. I used to use this when I was a waitress because it would write really quickly. And then I have a Muji 0.38 millimeter tip pen, and then I have a 0.5 G2 Pilot and another one of those regular Bic ballpoint pens. And so those are just the pens that I like to carry around and use. And then in here I have all of my secretive stuff. So I have my feminine products, which I am not going to show because hush hush, ladies. I know. I mean, I guess I can show them. Everyone has seen a pad before. Let's be empowered women, okay? And then I have my diary. And so this is just a little journal with a monster on the top, which I think is super cute. I put that there. And I actually stick stuff in my journal, so as you can see, it's kind of gotten a little bit fatter over time. Back here, I have a little wristlet that I use. This is by Coach. It's just got little studs on it. I believe this was also a gift from one of my mom's friends, so thank you so much if you're watching. And I absolutely love this. I think it matches everything, and it's just really easy. So if I carry just my cards and my phone, everything fits in this really, really well. Down here, I have nothing. So moving on to the next pocket, which is the biggest one. But the first thing I have is my short stories anthology, and this has 40 short stories. Even if you're not an English major or taking an English class, like this is a worth it anthology, and I've loved reading all of the stories in this. Next, I have my laptop charger. This big thing I'm holding is my Sony wireless Bluetooth headphones. These are a gift from my dad, and he basically did a lot of research to find the right pair of headphones for me, and these are really, really great for sound editing whenever I'm editing videos. And then the next thing I have is my hard drive. Now this is pretty much essential for a film major, is to have an external hard drive. This is by Seagate. I think that's everything in that big pocket. And then I have, my backpack is just like collapsing in front of you guys. I have this pocket right here, which is the laptop sleeve. And in this I have, first of all, my laptop. This is a MacBook Pro 13-inch Pro Retina, and I got this in high school, I think my junior or senior year of high school, and I've been using it ever since. It's an amazing laptop, and it's been serving me really, really well. And then I have, ooh, these are some dance reports that I read for my film class. This is on like the rise of enlightened sexism in pop culture. I have one about Shonda Rhimes and the racial logic of Grey's Anatomy, and then I have intersectionality in Orange is the New Black. Very like highbrow filmy articles. This is just the folder for the English class that I'm taking. And then I have one notebook. This is the last item in my backpack. I mean, we're coming to the end, but this is an amazing notebook with sharks on it. I have all 4 classes that I'm taking written on the top. And then it's just, this is just a decomposition notebook. I really like this brand. It's been really sturdy throughout the year. It's just college ruled. I think wide ruled paper is my biggest pet peeve. If I have a pet peeve, it's wide ruled paper. But my backpack is empty. You can flatten it out. See, there's nothing left in it. And now it's way lighter. But anyway, that is everything in my backpack, and I'm currently a college sophomore. So if you guys want an updated video of everything in my backpack when I'm a junior, then let me know. I would love to upload that. And this has just been a really fun video to film because I love watching these kinds of videos, so let me know what you think. I know it's different from my makeup videos, but I'm just trying something new. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. I feel like I have to say that as a YouTuber. And enjoy the rest of your semester. Good luck with finals if you guys are fellow college students or high school students out there, and I will see you guys next time.